Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a birthday get ready with me for my 23rd birthday, December 27, 1995. I'm a Capricorn, year of the pig, which is coming this year, 2019. Lots of good stuff in store for me and I'm just so freaking lit about it. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, then please continue watching because I promise you, you won't want to miss it. And there may or may not be a little birthday vlog at the end of this video. So stay tuned and let's just get right into it. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my Get Ready With Me birthday edition. I am so excited that I was able to get this up for you guys. I'm living for this look. It is absolutely stunning, but I'm just like, girl, 23 is about to be litty lit. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully got some inspiration for some looks that you may be creating in the future. I'm living for this weave. In case you're wondering, it's Bellamy Lily Galici hair. It's good stuff. Good stuff. So I'm here for this. So yeah, we did it. We fucking did it. I'm wearing a blazer suit right now and I feel like I'm Kris Jenner. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a lovely day, and thank you so much for your support this year. 22 was amazing, and I'm so damn excited to see what 23 has in store for me, because it's gonna be a good year. I can just feel it in my heart. I wish you guys all the best, and I'm about to head out to my birthday dinner. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more Get Ready With Me's in 2019, because I would love to do that. They're so fun. I'll be seeing you guys very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys, and happy birthday to me.
You better blow that last candle out.